Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 3D space transition on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project on InShot. So I'm going to click on a video and then select new, and you need to choose videos or photos from your gallery you want to edit. And for me, I'm just going to add photo to my project. I'm going to add photos from my pins folder. Wait guys, I'm still looking for my folder. I'm gonna choose pins folder. Wait, okay, here. And I'm going to pick a random photo from my pins folder. I'm going to choose this one, this one, this one, and also this one. And we can click on the check mark to import the photos to our project. And wait, I'm going to change the canvas. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can add 3D space transition to this project. We can go to the transition button right here, and then we just need to scroll down until we find 3D space. The 3D space is here. Okay, you can choose this one. This one is for free, but you need to subscribe to InShot if you want to use all this 3D space transition. And I can only use this one because I haven't subscribed to InShot. And for your information, this is a new transition on InShot. So if you want to get this 3D space transition, you need to update your InShot application. I recommend you to go to your Play Store now if you are Android user. Meanwhile, you can go to Apple Store to update it if you are iOS user. Okay, and then you can customize the duration here. You can choose the duration that you want to apply to your transition, and then you can click on this double check mark if you want to apply this transition to all your clips or all your images. And I'm just going to click on apply to all. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the 3D space transition has been applied to all my images, and I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to add 3D space transition on InShot Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.